Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 32 part A and B from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. The A part of the 32nd question, prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Let's draw the triangle ABC. A line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle. Let us draw a line D which is parallel to BC. The line DE intersects AB at D and AC at E. We have to prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. In this diagram, we have two triangles. One is triangle ABC and the other triangle is ADE. By the question definition, the line DE is parallel to BC. AB acts as a transversal. So the angle at D, let me name that as 1, and the angle at B, let me name it as 2. These two angles are equal in measure because they are corresponding angles. The same way, the angle at E, let me name it as 3, and the angle at C, let me name it as 4. 3 and 4 are equal in measure because they are also corresponding angles. Since two sets of angles are equal, then by area similarity the triangles become similar. That is, so AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. Subtract 1 on both the sides. After taking LCM, this becomes AB minus AD upon AD, which is equal to AC minus AE upon AE. AB minus AD. AB is a full length, and if we subtract this AD, we get the remaining part DB. DB upon AD is equal to, on the right side, same way, AC minus AE. AC is a full length. From that, if we subtract AE, then we get EC. EC upon AE. Reciprocating the fractions on both the sides, AD upon DB, which is equal to AE upon EC. This is exactly what we have to prove. So, hence prove. The B part of the question says, as shown in the given figure, a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Let's observe the diagram. AB is the lamp post which is of height 3.6 meter. CD is a girl's height which is 90 centimeter. Note the height of the lamp pole is in meters and the height of the girl is in centimeter. She walks at a speed of 1.2 meter per second from the base of the lamp post. That is, from B to D she has traveled, and the speed with which she travels is 1.2 meter per second. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Here the length of the shadow refers to this part actually, DE. From B to D she takes 4 seconds. After she reaches the point D, her shadow is DE. That DE is what we have to calculate. Let us take that DE as X. The speed has been given to us and the duration of the travel is also given to us, but we don't know the exact length of BD. For 1 second, she has traveled a distance of 1.2 meters, which means for 4 seconds, the distance traveled by her is 1.2 into 4, which is 4.8 meters. So BD is 4.8 meters. Now let's work with two triangles. One is triangle ABE, that is the bigger triangle, and the triangle CDE. In both the triangles, E is common, but the measure of the angle is nowhere mentioned. We don't require the length of the hypotenuse. So let's go in for tan ratio. Tan angle E is AB upon BE. AB is 3.6 meters upon BE is the sum of BD and DE. Tan E is equal to 3.6 upon BD is 4.8 and DE is X. Let this be equation 1. Now moving to the triangle CDE, again tan E is equal to CD upon DE. CD is 90 centimeter, which is 0.9 meters. DE is X. Let this be equation 2. Equation 1 and equation two's left hand side are equal. We can say that 3.6 upon 4.8 plus x is equal to 0.9 upon x. 3.6x is equal to 0.9 times 4.8 plus x, which is 3.6x is equal to 4.32 plus 0.9x, that is 2.7x is 4.32 and x is equal to 4.32 upon 2.7, which is nothing but 1.6 meters. That is, the length of the shadow is 1.6 meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.